Welcome back to grammar class, students. In today's class, we will be learning Block 6 using am, is and are. Now these words am, is and are help us to join the naming word with the adjectives. Okay? Now we use the word am only with the word I, like I am. We never say he am, she am, they am, okay? But we only say I am. So the word am here is used only with the word I. We use the word is only with the word he, she, and it. We do not say he am, she am, it am, but we say he is, she is, it is. And we use the word are only with the word you, we, and they. Okay, we do not say you is a good boy, you is a good girl. No, that is so wrong. But we say you are a good boy, you are a good girl. We are best friends. They are best friends. They are playing. Okay? Now we use the word am only with the word I repeat. And then we use the word is only with singular noun or pronoun. What does singular means? Now you've done singular and plural, right? Singular means something that is only one. And plural means more than one, means many. So here we use the word he, she, the word is only for singular noun or pronoun, like he is, she is, it is. Okay? He is a good boy. She is a good boy. It is a beautiful house. For things, animal, we use the word it, right? So, it is a fluffy dog. So, for these words, he, she, and it, we use the word is. Okay? We use the word is. And we use the word are only with the plural noun or pronouns. Okay? Again, I repeat, we use the word are only with the plural nouns or pronouns like you, we, and they. But here I want to show you, students, you is the only word that talks about both a pronoun, both a plural and a singular. Now, if I talk to you alone, only to you, okay, alone, I can say you are a good boy. But if I'm talking to the whole class, I can say you all are good children. You all are good children. So I'm talking to many also, I can use the word you. And when I talk only to you alone for a single person, I can also say you. But are, we do not use is for you, but we use the word are. You are. Even if I talk to one person, I can say you are. Okay? You are a good boy or you are a good girl. And when I talk about me and my friend, okay, I can say we are best friends. And when I talk about other people, okay, the third person, I will say they are best friends. They are playing. I will not say they am or they is, but I will say they are. So, I want you to keep in mind that are is the word that is used only with plural nouns or pronouns like you, we, and they. Okay? So, look at this first picture. Now, I said we use the word am only with the word I. So, what will you say? I am a boy. Do you see? I am a boy. The word I here, okay, we use with the word am. And the next sentence we have, I am 6 years old. Do you see am? is it written here, I is 6 years old? Does that even sound correct? No, that is so wrong. I is 6 years old. But the correct word that we have to use with the word I is am. I am 6 years old. Okay? Now we use the word is only with singular noun or pronoun. Right? So, he is a boy. Now if you talk about others, he is a boy. So here we use the word is only after the word he. What about a girl? She is a girl. Now there is only one girl here. Are there two girls, three girls? No. There's only one girl. So what will you say? She is a girl. So the word is used after the word she. She is a girl. Do you get it, students? Now for animals, we never say he or she. What word do we use? We use the word it, right? Now there is only one cat here. It is a cat. And there is only one dog. It is a dog. Now we can see here that we use the word is only for singular noun, okay? Only for something that is only one. What about this one here? A tree. It is a tree. Now even a tree is not people. Okay, so we cannot use the word he or she, but we use the word it. It is a tree. Do you understand, students? We use the word it because there is only, we use the word is because there is only one tree. Okay? Now we use are only with plural nouns or pronouns. Like for example, we are friends. Suppose you are talking about yourself and your friend, okay? You can say we are friends. Or if you talk about others, you can say they are friends, okay? They are friends. Now there are more than one. That's why we use the word are. Look, 1, 2. There's not only one. This is not singular. It's plural. So we use the word are. We are friends. They are friends. Do you see? Because they are plural or there is more than one. That's why we use the word are. And the word are here is used only with we, they, and you. Okay, students? We also use are with the pronoun you. Now, if you talk about one girl, okay, now suppose I'm talking about you. You are a girl. I can say you are my friend. Suppose I have only one friend, okay? I will say you are my friend, even if it's only one. I told you earlier, right, that you is the only word that talks about one person also and more than one person, okay? And if I have two friends, I can say you are my best friends. Okay, both of you are my friends. Do you understand, students? Now let us look at this chart, okay? On one side, okay, here on the left side, I'm going to keep pronouns and nouns. And here on the other side, I'm going to keep adjectives. And in the middle, we are going to fill up with is, are, or am. We have to find out the correct word that will complete the sentence. Okay, are you ready? I, the tree, his hands, the children, we, the baby, the dog. And on the right side, I have sad, big, hot, happy, cold, small, old. Now, you have to fill up the correct word here, whether it's I am sad or I is sad or I are sad. Which one is correct? And then the tree. The tree is a thing, right? And there's only one. I did not say trees. Look, the tree means only one. The tree dash big. His hands dash hot. His hands dash hot. His hands here talk about two hands, okay? The children dash happy. Now children is a plural, means more than one child. We also is a plural. We dash cold. The baby dash small and the dog dash old. So what do you think is the correct word to fill? Let us first look at this first word here that we have. I dash sad. Which one is correct? I am sad. We use the word am only with the word I. The tree dash big. The tree is only one. So the tree is big. The tree is big. Now the third one. His hands means more than one. This is plural. So his hands dash hot. His hands are hot. The children. The children means more than one child. Okay, there are many children. The children dash happy. So what will it be? The children are happy. We dash cold. We. Now we is also plural. We dash cold. So it will be we are cold. We use the word are only with we, they, you and other plural naming words. Okay, for more than one. Now the baby. The baby. I did not say babies here, but I said baby. So it means only one baby. The baby dash small. The baby is small. The baby is small. Now the dog. The dog dash cold. Old, sorry. The dog dash old. The dog is only one. I did not say dogs. I did not say dogs. There's no S. I said dog. So the dog is old. I'm talking only about one dog. The dog is old. Now let us look at this other chart. One and more than one. I am. If there's only one, we say I am. More than one? We are. We are. Now, I already told you that you is the only word that talks about one and also more than one. So you are, when there's more than one also, it is you are. For one, we say he is, she is, or for an animal, we say it is. Okay, like a dog, it is. But if there are more than one, we use the word they are. Okay, for he is, she is, or it is, it changes to they are. Okay, like the children or the dogs, we can say they are. Do you understand, students? Now I want you to open your grammar and try number 1 on your own, okay? This number 1, you have to look, join the shapes that match. For example, he plus is. So I want you to do this in your copy. Okay, now I. Is it I plus is? Is that correct? I is? No. Is it I are? No. It is I am. So in the copy, you will write I plus am. Okay? Like that. Do you understand, students? And the next one is, it. Is it it is, it are, or it am? It is. So you will write it plus is. Okay, students? Now I want you to do this on your own. And B here, you have to match the sentences that mean the same. So now you have to look at the sentences given here and you will match them with the sentences given on the right side. Okay? So what would you do? You will have to look first at A. We are big. We are big. So will it be he is big? They are big? The cake is big? Or Sam and I are big? Now the word we, if I say we, means I'm talking about myself and my friend. So it will be Sam and I are big. You'll draw a line like this, okay? And on the side you will write A. Sam is big. Now B. Sam is big. What will it be? He is big. They are big. The girls are big. Or it is big. So B, Sam is big, will change to he is big. And you will write here on the side B. Okay. Now find out the sentences on the right side that will match with the other two sentences C and D. Okay. You'll have to do on your own. You will match and do the same thing. You'll write C and D. Okay. Now let us try out number 3. This one also you will do in your book. Only number 1 you will do in your copy. Okay. Fill in the blank spaces with am, is, or are. So now you have to look at the sentences very carefully. Sam's glass dash empty. Now I'm talking about the glass of Sam. Did I say glasses or glass? I said glass. So it's only one. So Sam's glass is empty. Okay. Number B. The grass dash cool. The grass dash cool. Now I did not say grasses. I said the grass is cool. Okay. Molly and Sam. Oh, now I have 2 people here. So it's not singular anymore. It's not just one. Now it's plural. So what will I use? Will I use is or are? Molly and Sam are hot. Are hot. Okay, now there are 2 people that I'm talking here. That's why I use the word are. Now D. I also hot. Now what is the word that we use with the word I? I am. Okay, the word am is only used with the word I. So I am also hot. And I want you to look at your next page and try out 4 and 5 on your own. Okay. Now all you need to do here is change the underlined word to correct the sentences. So you'll have to write this once again. Okay. Or you can do it in your book itself. Molly am thirsty. This is wrong. The word am is wrong because am is used only with the word I. Right. So Molly dash thirsty. Molly is thirsty. You can write the word is here on the side. Sam says he are also thirsty. Now here also we are talking only about one person, only about Sam. So Sam says he is. Okay? You will underline the word is. Okay? Sam says he is also thirsty. Or you can rewrite the whole sentence in your copy. I'm going to send this to you. Okay? They am hot and tasty. Now the word they is talking about more than one person. So it's a plural. We do not use the word am or is, but we use the word are. So they hot and thirsty. Okay? And number 5, you will do in your textbook itself. It says change am, is or are in the first sentence to complete the second sentence. So what you're going to do here is look at the first sentence. The day is hot. So in the second sentence we have in summer the days. See, here it's only the day, talking only about one day, but here it's the days, it has S. The days, so will it be is or are? Now if there is more than one, it changes to are. So the days are hot. You will write are in your book, okay? And B, the tree is tall. And in the second sentence, we have the trees in the garden. Okay. See here it says the tree, only one tree. But here it says the trees. So it's more than one tree. It'll be the trees in the garden are tall. A-R-E-R you will write. Okay. And see here we have my friend is feeling too hot to play. You see, my friend. 1. I dash also feeling hot to play. Now you're talking about yourself. I am also feeling hot to play. So you will fill the correct word, whether it's is, am or are. Okay students, this you'll do in your book. I will send you number 4 and number 1. Okay. So thank you students. That is all for today's class. I'll see you in the next class. Bye bye.